Your IT systems may be depreciating faster than your assets. Most balance sheets, they don't reflect that. CFOs, they understand financial debt. Interest accumulates, risk grows, flexibility decreases. Technical debt, it works in a very similar way, but it doesn't show up on a financial statement. It builds gradually when systems are patched instead of modernized, when legacy platforms remain in place beyond their supported life cycle, when infrastructure upgrades are postponed to save short-term costs. Now, individually, these decisions, they feel reasonable, but collectively, they create what's known as structural drag. Maintenance costs rise, reliability starts to decline, security exposure expands, and scaling the business becomes more difficult. Over time, that drag compounds, and that's where technical debt becomes strategic. Today, technology maturity is routinely evaluated during mergers, acquisitions, and investment reviews, not as a technical detail, but as a valuation factor. Outdated environments signal future cost, future risk, and future constraint. As a result, remediation costs get priced into the business itself. Technical debt doesn't just increase IT expense, it increases the perceived risk profile of the enterprise. In that sense, technical debt behaves like invisible depreciation. It reduces agility, it increases future capital requirements, and it limits strategic flexibility. Strategic IT management isn't just about keeping systems running, it's about protecting enterprise value.